Hey everybody, this is Ernie and I'm going to give you a review on the Blizzard Snake Eyes Mini, and it's a long time coming. I bought it in 2017, I believe. It's a 2016 light fixture made by Blizzard, and you can still kind of find some around for about $5.50 or something like that. It's not cheap, but it's not that expensive either. Anyway, Blizzard makes a really good manual for it, so make sure to read it all. It's a 14 and 16 channel DMX, and I highly suggest you use DMX with this unit because ordinarily it won't work well on sound active or programs that you punch into the unit in the front there. It just doesn't work well. You got to have it on DMX, and but it does have a real good thing going for it now. I mean, this light remembers the last DMX program you put in it, and so that's a great thing to have. The construction is pretty stellar. It's metal with a rubberized coating all the way around it, and so it really protects it from all the elements and dirt and whatnot. So it's not your cheap knockoff from China or anything like that. It's a Blizzard product and made very, very well. Okay, the front panel has all the usual suspects, the menu up and down, and choosing your DMX channel on it as well. Let's turn it around, see what the back looks like. Okay, you have a 3-pin DMX in and DMX out. To the right, there is a power con in and a power con out with the fuse. Okay, we're not going to spend all day long looking at this light do its colors, but here's a quick example. It's blue right now, and it has 2 sets of blue, 2 sets of red, and 2 sets of white, and it's sound active. Tap, 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 and it has a multicolor at the end too, like this thing here, and it's really vivid. The video really can't show it. The vividness of this color. It's 10 watt Cree LEDs times 6 and 12 SMD flat LEDs that encircle the cube. If you like this video, please subscribe and click on the like button. Appreciate that. We'll see you next time. This is DJ Ernie with the Blizzard Snake Eyes Mini review. Great little light for weddings and parties, and the kids love this thing, I tell you. Alright, take it easy. Bye bye.